There are 9 beautiful wineries on the Kansas City Wine Trail, and we're going to take you to another beautiful spot. Today we take you to Defiance Ridge Vineyards in St. Charles County. This spot will leave you saying, "Mo wine, please."
There's several areas of Missouri wine country. You have the Herman area, you have the southern area, Cape Girardeau area, and then you have the area through here, through Augusta. Missouri wine country's history is incredible. Back before Prohibition in 1800s, before Prohibition, we were the second largest producing state. It's got the history, it's got great grapes, and winemakers are becoming better and better. Winemaking at Defiance Ridge is we handpick. That's the most important thing. I think that the quality shows through our product. We have hands-on from picking all the way through the finishing product. Our winemaker's Tom Murphy. He's a Marine. He's been in the business for over 28 years. Tom is by the book on everything he does. He's won prestigious awards, 2015 Best Norton, 2014 Best Chamberson in the state. Last year he won the Best Rosé in the state. He's a really great winemaker, and we're very proud of him. Grape growing to me is number one, and producing wine. That's my passion. But also it's great to see a lot of people come out and enjoy our wines and enjoy a good meal. We have a fantastic restaurant. 5 acres of vineyards, but 43 acres of property. So it's wide open, other than the bottom down there, it's wide open. A lot of people really like to come to the Midwestern wineries. It's amazing the people from Iowa and from Kansas that make trips to Missouri to taste their wines. The wines are very good here. They're acidic, they're crisp. We sell a lot of different style of wines, but we sell a lot of our own made wines. I think you should visit this area because you can see how great these wines are becoming. I think if 10 years ago to now, differences are amazing.
And to find out more about this great spot in St. Charles County and to learn about other great Show Me State wineries, just go to MissouriWine.org.